Hang on a second. I think I just found a fruit snack on the floor. No. All right, no, it wasn't a fruit snack. It's fine. I'll tell you, it's always something around here. Okay, what is up, you beautiful people? Not only do you look really, really beautiful right now, but you also look super intelligent. Just looking good all around, guys. Just looking good all around. Why are we here? Here's why we're here. This is my Covert Instruments trip. I did take a few little snippets of the trip up there and then a little bit of, stuff kind of as I was there. However, all of my audio from my little vlogging that I did like at the hotel when I was sitting down to talk to you guys is completely destroyed. So I had to make this video to kind of fill in for that. So I wanted to give you a couple updates. First of all, I had a great time at Covert Instruments. It's always a lot of fun when we go there. Now, this wasn't a full roundtable meeting. It was only a couple of people that went this time, but we got to see some upcoming products. I ended up getting a grav pick, which was really, really cool. Yeah, obviously it's not meant to like pick ASA 700s, but it's freaking fun. It's freaking fun and it's very addicting. But I did get to hang out and pick locks with the guys and it was a blast. I've got a video of that to put at the end of this so you guys can check it out. But I did want to tell you I didn't get to interview LPL because at the end of the day, there was only 2 questions left in the comments section there. And I really wasn't going to go to him and sit down to interview him and ask him 2 questions. That's kind of stupid. So I took a pass on that. He did agree to come on to maybe a live stream or, if I got enough questions, I could ask him like a one-on-one interview and just talk with him one-on-one. But, he suggested a live stream, so maybe we'll do that. I wanted to show you guys a little bit of the trip and where we stayed. And then, I had a kind of lockpicking hangout session with Georgia Jim and Doc Hogmaster and Lockchuck. And it was a whole lot of fun. So here you go. Don't forget to like. We're off on our trip. We're about 3 hours and 25 minutes away. Ew. But it's some nice scenery. Oh, wait. 4 hours. We're 4 hours and 2 minutes away. Ugh. But Covert Instruments sent me a driver. Yeah. So I'm not driving today.
Where's your next, G's?
Yeah, that's my driver. Robert knows how important I am, so he sent me a driver. And driving by, the lake is literally gone. Look at that. Look how low that is. It's wild. Oh my God, guys. Do you see the space underneath the door of our hotel room? Look how much space that is. Somebody can totally slip and under the door tool, right under there, and get us. Oh my God.
Later, losers. I'm not with him. Later, suckers.
Explain that with your science.
I'm surprised no one was like that. I was waiting for the that's what she said.
It was hardest for me to learn to love again. I never learned to read.
He's been knocked, like every time he takes off in that car, he drops the gear shift all the way down to low. Keeps slapping it back into drive. Then he pulls up to Harry and
when I was pulling
he pulls
away.
up to Harry and Tony, and he's like, "Later, losers!" And he hits the gas, and he's got it in neutral. I'm not with him.
I said suckers, not losers.
Yeah, later, suckers.
So I'm not invited back anyway, just so you guys know.
I have a side pin laying around. I can't figure out what I took it out of, and I have no idea where it goes.
I have a whole pile of side pins.
Do you? I felt
not
like...
just side pins, but the women pins and the children pins too.
I don't know if you need something else.
What was the hardest one you
There's a
ever...
Desmo over there, or...
Oh yeah, the Desmo.
Oh, geez. Don't give me a Desmo. I'll have flashbacks.
What happened with
Oh.
the Tesla?
Because I
Was
picked
that-
it and I didn't rotate it back. I rotated it forward. And
Did I
then so
see
I had to
that
pick it
video?
again. And then I had to pick it again. And I had to pick it again.
I think I did. Was that
Oh,
on
'cause
video?
it is
I
on
think-
video.
Yeah,
I
the
think I
sidebar
saw
will drop
that.
into that.
Yeah,
the one
like
sidebar
half-
will drop, and you
Weren't
gotta
you
pick.
like,
So I picked it like 3 times. That was just I was gonna use it to apply for my brown belt, and so I didn't want to give up.
at
So I
that
kept
point-
having to pick it until it was,
That sucks.
and I think I kept like getting which direction wrong and all this stuff, and anyway I finally got it.
I think I remember. I do think I do
Oh my
remember that
goodness.
one. Yeah, I think I do. Remember
Everything else
that.
I got over here is probably lever locks.
What was the hardest thing to learn? That you had a hard time learning.
Gens took me a long time to learn.
Side pin, I'm still trying to learn.
I hate some of those.
Once I forgot, it wasn't the floating, it was the feedback I was supposed to be feeling.
Yeah.
Once I figured that out, the learning curve was hard, but once I got it, it just took off.
Yeah.
Later, losers.
Subscribe.